Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 6th of October 2024. I'll be going over my weekly prediction for SPY. As usual, I'll be going over the monthly, weekly, and finally the daily charts. And then I'll switch over to the Excel sheet where we'll review last week's prediction and go over this one in more detail. But before getting into this video, it is important to make the disclaimer that all information here is completely educational and therefore it is important to conduct your own analysis, whatever analysis that may be, to ensure that you're comfortable with the risk, reward, and trading style, since you may not be with mine. Let me reiterate, this is not a trading guide, an investing guide, nothing of the sort. It is simply a record of my predictions with their rationale. Please use this video in the appropriate manner. Now, with that out of the way, let's move to the monthly charts. Here we can see that there's been a clear uptrend, and this is extremely long-standing. Every single video that I've made basically on SPY has been during this uptrend. However, the interesting thing is the volume has been consistently diverging, meaning that this is an extremely weak uptrend. It seems that this was the kind of primary uptrend, and this here is just a comeback which just wasn't fueled. It seems that the volume only started increased up to here. After that, this long run isn't fueled by volume. It seems to be decreasing and decreasing. RSI obviously confirms this movement, MACD as well, but it is something to be wary of, that the volume doesn't match at all. Now, weekly charts, similar idea here. We can see that we've crossed this, what was the all-time high at the time at 565.01, which is obviously a bullish signal. However, the first two candles after that have been quite non-directional, and as such, we're just waiting for the same range as last time. RSI is actually diverging because we have an upwards movement here and a downwards here. So that may be something to look out for. That is typically quite a negative signal. And if this does break back down, then we have quite a strong bearish signal there. And MACD shows kind of the opposite pattern actually, because the MACD has just crossed its average above, so that's actually a bullish signal. We can see there's quite a few mixed signals here, and there's no candlestick pattern to back it up. So this is the best that we can get from analysis. We just need to wait for a range breakout. RSI, again, clearly showing we're in this upward movement. MACD is kind of, well, it is technically bearish right now, but the last day pushed the price up very high, and as such, there's been a little bit of a recovery in the average. However, we can see these last 2 weeks have been non-directional, completely. We're looking kind of for a break around here, which is the high at 574, around 574.71, but it's a little bit higher arbitrarily that I've placed just to make sure that there's that confirmation. And the low or support, obviously, we can see is 565.01. There's no particular candlestick pattern, so there's nothing to talk about on that front. Last week, there was nothing important. This week, again, we'll buy when it crosses 577, and we'll with a target of 1%, 0.5% trailing stop loss, and we'll sell when it falls below the support at 565.01. And if neither the target or stop loss are hit, then we will just close on Friday. The weekly trend is up, the monthly trend is up, and that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video.